Hello sister. Today I recommend to my sisters a dress model ha. Middle age. This one is worn around the knee. Well, it'll have a part at the top that's her. Lotus flower. Lie down. And it's going to have a bend that flips over to the side of the hip. The hand will be the hand. It's long and there's a splint on the arm. There are 2 lines along the shirt. Today we will be together. Design this template. And this is going to be my model board. What I'm going to measure for the shoulder. Ancient part, the chest, the waist, the buttocks, and the length of the waist. I have a measurement guide. If you don't know how to measure, then look at the measurement guide. And these are the numbers that will vary by body. You can, change this number. According to my measurements, follow the recipe I will share shortly. You see, remember. Like support for the channel. The first step is, we'll take the length of the dress. You will take it long according to the my body height ha. From the bottom up here. It will be the length. Then you will cut it. It's a horizontal line that's perpendicular here. And I'm going to take the first part, which is the shoulder. Horizontal shoulder split 2. Then shoulder to shoulder here, it's going to be equal to 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. Then it's down to 4. If you take her and divide her by 30, 5 is equal to 6. Take 6 in. Then you'll take the lower chest. If you lower your chest, divide it by 5, you add me up to 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is over 18. I took it down to 18. On the chest, you will take the chest, divide by 4 plus by 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22, so that's 2. And then you'll lower your waist. If we lower the waist, we will take it to be equal to 35. Make a perpendicular line across the lower waist. Then you'll take it across the waist. The waist is divided by 4 plus 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2, you get 18. And then from this outside, you step back 8 inches. I'll draw for the part. Along the side. Next, you'll measure from top to bottom. This one is. My ass will also be measured according to my body. This is part 18. Depending on your body, this number varies. Then I'll take the lower chest. I'm sorry for the ass. Ass is equal to ass divided by 4 sisters plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 21. I'll take this part. I connect it in. And this dress. It will be from here. You guys go down a perpendicular path. I connected the dotted line. Then you step back and give me 1/4 So we're going to start this way. Into the 1.5 inch road is that we're going to get the flank of the dress. And then here, you're 2 inches up. And for the body first. I'm going up to inches here. In the back, you will go a long way. For the live part. Then, now we're going to draw for a part. Armpits, you build a perpendicular line backward to gasoline. Split in two. Split in two again. Then the old part. Then you will take the neck down and give me 6 inches. Make a perpendicular line. Let's make a perpendicular line here. Add a perpendicular line. Split in half again. We'll get a round neck. Here, you'll draw the lotus gourd. This lotus bag is located here. I take a magnitude of 7 gasoline. Then you connect this magnitude here. And we will from this neck to sister's back, give me to petrol. We draw the lotus part. This line will be perpendicular. You'll be covered in lotus leaves here. And in this part, we're going to draw a vertical one. That's for petrol from this road. Then we'll get the bend part. Once you've done the body first, then we'll do it for the back. And remember, it's like I said before. The numbers are shoulder to shoulder, waist to chest. These numbers are the numbers that change. You have to measure. And we've replaced these numbers with measurements. It's yours. And now the back. Here you go. Give me 2. We've connected this part to a gasoline. This is 0.7. Then this, give me a centimeter of gas here. Then I'll get a body here. And now you're going to draw for the collar. Now we're going to cut the back collar. The Arabic of the body later. I'll cut along the red line. And this part is unsewn. When you are lucky, remember, except for the seams. Then here you will go. There are ham. And then after that we get the Arabic part. On the body before and after. Then you will proceed. Take it back to the sign. Give me the waist. Then you'll give me the chest. Reducing 1 hectare of gasoline, this will be the back foot. Shit, later the sister multiplied for 2. Now we're going to adjust for the dorsal spine. Feces after. From here you come in. Give me 1.5 inches. I'm down here. Give me 3 glasses and I've drawn the back line. And there I'll split it in 2. Here, take it down. Give me 15. Stretching up the way this paragraph is for, we'll paint the side. The size of each side of the SAO body is to gasoline. And then you're going to cut this road off. and we'll get the back body. Now to the front. The front part, you will cut. Put the collar down. I entered the armpit line first, follow the black line. And the front butt. So we're going down to blue. Then, I'll get the body first. Now you will break up. Give me this way. This way out. And we're going to add a piece of a. Let's draw a circular part and have a part. About the shirt. You're going to cut a body like this. Keep a body like this. If you have another body, you will. Well, cut the shirt, it's indigo. By the following. Then you will give it to me. From down here, the middle road down here. Come out more for me. 6 gasoline. 6 petrol centimeter. And then we're going to build a perpendicular line. I built a perpendicular line up and down here. Well, you'll measure up. Give me 12. I'm going to cut this road. And then after being down from 12 gasoline and out here is the place. The point is that you will stop to make a point. Bend. Then we're going to bend this road to this stop. Follow the stop here, ladies. I'm going to break this road, follow this stop, and then you'll give me that. The size of the part. This ancient stone, we're going to get it back. Get the sign back over here. Ha then. This sign and this sign must coincide. Then you'll cut me the stick. Here, I can cut the leaves for this one. And this tick will be horizontal. And the old part. You see the hips. And this ancient part, we're going to cut the circle according to that. Then the leaf ticks you can either leave or be lucky. If you don't have enough fabric, then you will cut this off. We clip the cicada in like this. Then our shirt will have some slack. And I'll put the button here. Press the button here. And we'll take the Arabic. We have the old leaf. And this ancient leaf we're going to stretch out for the ancient leaf. The back body. It's done. For the upper body. Top. And the last one is we're going to cut the arm. Here you will measure the armpit. Here I measured 20. Previous part. How to measure to 2. Then we have the front armpit and the back armpit. Now you're going to take the piece of paper for us to draw the armpit part. Then you will lower your breasts with your breasts. Divide by 10 plus by 5. 80 divided by 10 plus 5, we get 13. I took it down to 13. Then you take 20 plus 22, we get 42 divided by 2, which is 21. And from down here, you take the number 21. This number is not here. We cross a line divided in 2. Then we'll draw the armpit ring. And the sleeve we'll stretch. And this door I'm getting is 12. How long will you measure? Then we take the door and we go there and add. Let it out the width of the door. And we've connected this part. Then you will go 5 cups of the hand so it's okay. And finally, we're going to draw the cufflink. So we get the whole thing. Your hands will cut. And we're going to get the sleeve part, ladies. This hand will be the first. Is you're going to reduce it to 5 for me. This hand will be the first. This hand will be the back. And then you look again. I recommend the whole model today. The sleeve. If you do that first, you will get it. A set like this. I will have a piece. Is follow this black line and cover this, and one piece of it will have a splint to pop through. Then the body will be like this. So this is the whole part. Arabic today that we do to design for this dress. Check it out if you like this one. Comment, let me know. I wish you success. Thank you. Hi. See you later.